And I was running into a little bit of an issue, so I called my good friends at FridayParts, FridayParts.com. I'm working on a carburetor on a chainsaw, and I have to give it a very tiny bit of torque, and it's a very tight space. So I need do you have a small torque wrench? We got the perfect thing for it. It's digital, you'll love it, lots of features. Okay, so this is it, digital torque wrench from FridayParts. Isn't that slick? Look at this nice little torque wrench. It's a beautiful, well made, really, really feels solid. No looseness at all in it. But the head on this has one of those really neat, very, very nice push button ratchets. You haven't seen these before. They're very, very nice. Let me show you an example. The socket that I need to use is a 1/4 drive, 1/4 socket. So it's a 1/4 inch socket with a 1/4 drive. And when I first went to put it on, it wouldn't go on. Ah, yes. You have to push the button, and that should put it on. It now won't come on, which is great, especially if you're working in small machinery and down maybe in an engine part somewhere. You don't want that to fall off. To get it off, you push the button again, and it comes right off. It's a neat little system. And it has a standard switch for clockwise or counterclockwise. Nice little wrench. So what's nice about it? Well, let me show you. But it's very simple. You hold the on-off button, and there you go, pops up. Right off the bat, you can change the torque units. Right now, it's set for kilogram feet per centimeter. I can change that to it to inch pounds. That's pretty standard North American. Kilogram, I think Newton meters, yes, and Newton meters. So whatever machine you're working on, and whatever units they give you the torque in, with this little wrench you can get the exact units. You'll notice that it already has a reading on there. So you press that button again, and it automatically goes to 0 for you, so you know that it's measuring accurately. And the reason for that is that you can also use this as at different modes. And this was called peak, and what do they call the other one? One is called peak, and the other one is called preset. I'll explain about that in just a minute. Right now, this can be used as a standard torque wrench, and I'm going to try to demonstrate this a little bit for you. Put it into the socket wrench, which is locked in the vise, and all you need to do as you start to apply your torque is read the gauge. Can you see that? So you can read how much it is, in this case, inch pounds. And then when you're finished, take it off, and there's your reading, and this shows you your peak that you reached. This is the peak mode, so it's locked in there, so now you can make a record of it. You know, if you're done, press PC, and it takes it back to 0. Ah, great, okay. Here's where it gets nice. Here we go, preset, ready? Just a 16. Get a buzz on a signal, just like that. Again, you're working in tight spaces or something very fragile, and the stop, okay? Just that easy. FridayParts for it, but it's absolutely a great little tool. If you're interested at all, get a hold of FridayParts.com.